How you guys doing? How you guys doing? Man. Yo, entertainment. How you doing? Welcome to the chat. Hi, hello from Texas. Hi, man. How's Texas? Should probably put this somewhere around here so we can, Google stuff. That seems nice. What are this over here? Yeah, it's good. Keep for later. Hi from Costa Rica. How you doing? Florida in the house. Good evening, man. Good evening. How you guys doing? How you guys doing? Hi from Holland. That's a manly beard, yeah. This is, yeah. Spending all my BTC in El Salvador. Yeah, guys, we're gonna party in El Salvador. This summer, everybody take a plane to El Salvador, okay? We can party there. We can huddle in El Salvador. Somebody should make a meme, you seen that Inception meme, when they come to the planet and, it says like 7 days here, like 7 years in, 1 day here is like 7 years on Earth. Well, somebody should make like 1 day here is like 7 years in Bitcoin, or something like that. El Salvador Hodl Gang. Intro with funny sound effects, please. The late adopter. Hope that helps. Hope that helps. What when analysis of Tether? I made a promise that I'm gonna do a good donation to your channel when XRP reaches $3. Okay, guys, you heard the man. Pump it. Pump it to $3 because I'm getting donation. Please look at Inch. I'm not quite sure what we're gonna do today. I just think it looks very bullish, guys. It looks very bullish. Don't you think it looks very bullish? I think it looks very bullish, so I thought, like, why not do a live stream and see how this is gonna play out. Why not, pump ERA, please. No, first we pump XRP because I'm getting a donation when XRP reaches 3. After then we can pump some other coin, okay? Guys, this pump and dump group pumps one coin at the time, okay? No pre-buy. I feel bullish. Me feel bullish. No altcoin movement. Thoughts. No altcoin movement. Yeah, that's thing. I mean, Bitcoin is up like 8.5% and everything else is like not. Beside, Bitcoin Diamond that went up like 40% today. The pump and dump coin, but, beside that, like nothing actually did anything. COT is up 8%, but yeah, it's really strange. Like Bitcoin pumps 8% and Ethereum does only like 2%. Like, what's up? I don't know why, but I think it's just a retrace and a bear in the future. My friend, please, Super USDT. Laser eyes back on. Guys, I have to tell you, I'm bullish. I don't know if you know, but I'm bullish. I am bullish. I think we're going to 46,000. I don't know if you understand that, but I think we're going to 46,000. Maybe we're not going to 46,000. Maybe I'm wrong. I've been wrong before, things happen, there is no certainty but I'm bullish. I'm going to show you all the technicals, guys. I'm going to show you all the technicals. You are always bullish. That's not actually true. Sometimes I'm bearish. Yeah, right now lately I've been bullish. After triangle has played out a little bit, I start being a lot more bullish than I used to be. Bro, somebody has blocked me from the group and I don't even know why. Yeah, I think some of those mods there are like a little bit of trigger happy. Yeah, just go to the Twitter and send me a message on the Twitter and I'll look into it and I'll let you back in. Okay? Like, go to the Twitter and send me a message with your username on Telegram and I'll unban you, for whatever reason. Hello, man. My friend, I like that you are online taste for work, but we got rejected from 20 EMA week 20 MA week. We got rejected by 20. This is 20 moving average on the weekly. We got nowhere rejection. If we get up there, it's gonna be. If we get rejected on 20 moving average on the weekly, like that's gonna be fine. You know, I don't mind getting up here. You know, I don't know about you, but I don't mind getting up there. For once, I get the market timing correct. Yet XRP does move, sitting in a trade and thinking of closing in XRP. Yeah, man, these altcoins are not actually moving at all. So I'm thinking something is not quite the way it should be. I'm not quite sure what. What is your thought on that cross? It's coming. Unless Bitcoin does something like crazy towards the upside, like yeah. You know, this over here, it's coming unless Bitcoin like explodes to the upside. Can you get any Norwegian ladies on the stream? I think that would increase the viewer number. I don't care about viewer numbers. 165 people is perfectly fine. I mean, sure, it's nice to have a lot of viewers. I work for the subscription. I work for, you know, the viewers. But I think I have something like 93% male audience and so 7% female. So all the females in the chat, you know, raise their hands and say hello to the guys. You know, mingle. But I care about the ladies. You know, get Bitcoin and ladies will come. Get Bitcoin and ladies will come. Whereas buying and dumping Bitcoin, I will see. Can you get, yeah. But I care about. What about all the shorts taking up on exchange like it did in May? I'm not quite sure how I'm gonna analyze that. I'm not quite sure what's actually happening. Hello, I'm a female. There you go, guys. There you go, Masir and Yasin. Also, I'm single. I don't know if Yasin is a lady or not, but you know. But Marie, Soveri, so all the guys jump on that one lady. Okay, no, be nice to the ladies, guys. Be nice to the, there are not many of them. Do not scare them away to the other channels. Be nice to the ladies. Yeah, this stream took a weird turn. We gotta get back to the Bitcoin analysis, guys. We gotta get back to the Bitcoin analysis. So why am I so bullish, guys? Now, there are a lot of lines over here. I'm gonna delete the lines, guys. Yeah, let me just say a quick word about the numbers here. The 32K and 29K. The 32K was actually my, you know, I had two targets, 32 and 29K. Those are the two targets. And you can see here that we held the 32K. We held the 32K. Very nicely as well, if I may add. I mean, yeah, sure, with the week we broke, but then a week on the downside we held the 32K, 32,276, exactly, like very nicely. Technically, this was also a second target, second support after this one, so I had two supports now. This falling support I drew right now, so this wasn't actually support previously. Seems suddenly turning up in the comments. Be nice to the ladies. 32,000 and we got a 29,000 down here. Now 29,000 was actually the target I was actually aiming for, but I was hoping we can hold the 32. Now we did hold the 32, but if you are looking just on the wick over here, you can see the wick went all the way down to 31,000, so that's only like 5% down to the, let me just close the door. So that's only like something like 5-6% down to 29,000. So we don't technically have to hit the 29,000. We got close enough, and that's good enough. And if you guys remember what I've been saying, you know, when everybody's looking like some kind of 28 target down here, right? And even I was a little bit high at 29, and people are looking even at 30,000 over here. And when everybody's looking at this area down here, you know, probability that we never hit this area gets pretty high. And why is that? Because once the price starts moving like this over up, all the people that are waiting to buy down here now have to FOMO back in. And that's why you're getting this big green candle, right? Because you know, you go down but don't get down to the buying area, and you just turn around and everybody pumps up. Not yet back, just a bounce. Not yet back, just a bounce. We'll see about that, man. We'll see. There is more than two targets. I'm just explaining about the two targets we have here. I'm gonna explain to you why this is so bullish, so nice. I did opposite and sold my XRP and bought ETH because the stupid XRP wasn't moving. Yeah, the over trading is gonna kill you guys. The over trading is gonna. Hello, we are nice. We are live. Nice. Giga Gerovts. Nice. Hey, Frosferia. Hi, mom. That's why I just buy a 1k every time BTC goes down 1k. Yeah, that's a way to do it. Okay, so we had 2 targets, 1 and 2 target. Yeah, you understand that 32 target held right now, and 29 target was actually like the biggest. But right now that we are not going, like after that, you know, the next supports were all the way down at 20 and 90,000, something like that. So where are we gonna get to this level right now? You know, switch over here and then drop all the way down. I don't think it's gonna happen right away. I don't think it's gonna happen right away. So what I'm thinking actually is I'm gonna remove everything right over here now, and what I'm thinking right now is that right now this move will actually push us all the way up, maybe some sideways motion. It depends on how long this is gonna take, to the 20 moving average. And right now the 20 moving average is actually sitting all the way up. Sorry, 10 moving average. The 10 moving average is sitting all the way up at 47,000, right? So it depends on how long we use all the way up. Then you know, it can take. But this is actually what I'm thinking right now, that we are gonna get up. You can also see on the weekly candle that this wick today got us really close down to the 50 moving average, but you know, we never hit it on the 50 moving average. Why? Because you know, people are just buying everything. Like we get down here buying, you know, went up there trying to push it, pushed it down again, right, bought back, right up again. So this is actually quite bullish as well. This is quite bullish as well. But yeah, the target should be around something like 27,000, give or take. Let's put it up to 27,000. If we go back this week, you know, next week I'm not quite sure what's gonna happen, but you know, the target should be around 47,000. So right now you understand that we have, let's go a little bit back to get, we had these 2 supports down here after there was this right, there was this triangle over here, right? Everybody knows about triangle, and then we fell through the triangle, and the target was 32 and 29,000. But now that we are getting this formation up here, that I'm thinking that we might actually go all the way up to 47,000. So it's gonna be quite nice. Now there are some other numbers over here, but they are mostly some kind of resistance that we had to get above. That said, let's remove everything over here and just say quick word on the 4-hourly time frame, because today early on stream, every single day we got something called Bitcoin Daily at 9:30 Central European time. Every single day live stream looking at technical analysis. And today we said that we want to get above the 20 moving average. So this is the first sign for me that we are, not first sign, but one of the signs right now that we are super bullish. Okay, that's the 20 moving average. You can see the 20 moving average is actually being respected really nicely on the 4-hourly time frame over here. It is being respected. It is holding both support and resistance all the way through very nicely. Like, it's super nice, right? So 20 moving average on the 4-hourly time frame is very nice, and the fact that we are above it, that's the first clue that we are actually doing very nicely. It's been some crazy weeks. Hopefully we can go up again. Yeah, that's, man, I'm reckoning that. And if you just wait for 1 second, hey Tiela, what I missed? You missed the bull run, man. Hey Jul, that's Jul. Immortal is a very nice guy. It's a very nice guy. He started like a day trader, but I think he's coming to his senses right now, and he is turning into some kind of swing trader, or you know, long-term hodler or something like that, maybe, hopefully. But at least not a day trader anymore. That said, you know, he was the guy. Yeah, if I just get like 2% every day, that'd be nice. Yeah, easier said than done, man. 2% is easier said than done, but nice guy. So we are bullish. So the fact that we are above the 20 moving average on the 4-hourly is super nice, guys. Super nice. Like, I don't know how to explain you. Yeah, and we are also above the 50 moving average. That's also nice. Not above the 100, but above 50 moving average. So that's nice. And you can see here that this level of resist support, right? We had support over here. We blasted through that, but right now we are back above the support. We are back above this support up here, and you know, there's some kind of resist, but we have managed to break 2 supports on the way up right now, and as long as we can hold above here, it might look nice. So look at this over here, what's happening now. This is the 10 and the 20 moving average over here, right? The fact that we are with the wick above the 20 moving average is actually a very good thing as well. Now look at this, guys, I'm gonna show you something. Look at this. Okay, so this is the 20 moving average and this is the 10 moving average, right? So we want to close above, preferably above both, but the 10 moving average is nice. And you can see here at the price, the price right now is exactly in the middle of these two lines. I mean, it's above the 10 moving average, but it's below the 20 moving average. So this is the daily chart, and we want to close, you know, preferably above the 20 moving average, but I think that will be too much. So I think the price just wants to close above the 10 moving average. And if you can manage to close above the 10 moving average, guys, that's gonna be super nice, because that doesn't happen often. I mean, sure, it happened here and we got rejected, it happened here, rejected, it happened here, or rejected, right? And right now it's happening again. So if we close above the 10 moving average for the third time, actually fourth time, the probability to go up, it gets kind of huge. And then we bullish again. Super nice, guys, super nice. So that's also one of these things that are actually telling me that we are bullish. Now, if you know what the Japanese candlesticks, right, are, so these three candles are forming something called so these three candles over here are forming something called morning doji star. A morning doji star is a bottoming pattern, right? So this happens usually on bottoms, and this is happening on the daily now, so this is very powerful. Usually you have morning doji star, and you have also evening doji star. Evening doji star is when you have big green candle, right? And then you have some kind of a doji or a candle up here at the top, and then you have a big red candle up here, right? This is the reverse of the this is the reverse. So you have this is the red candle, and then you know, this is the green candle, and this can be both green and red as well. Like it really doesn't matter which candle this is over here. So this is the opposite of this pattern over here. So this is the morning doji star, and this is the evening doji star. So this is some kind of topping out pattern, and this is the bottoming pattern. Now these are not, like, you know, 100% correct, but you have to also look at some kind of other indicators to actually confirm that this actually is a quite nice bottoming pattern. And what I'm gonna show you now is really nice. It's really nice. That's what makes me be bullish. So I'm gonna show you what's gonna make me feel bullish. Okay, so this pattern over here, really nice pattern, really nice. Like, I don't have to explain, like, really nice pattern. Looks nice, looks good. It's a bottoming pattern, Japanese candlestick. Like, you cannot go wrong with Japanese candlesticks, right? Now, guys, we're coming to a very important moment. We are coming to the divergences on the daily chart, and it's beautiful. It is beautiful. So right now, look at this, guys. This is beautiful. We gotta zoom in so you guys can see this. I'm gonna remove the wicks because, you know, wicks doesn't matter on the divergences. Okay, so look at this, guys. Look at this. This is nice. So you can see here the price goes down, the RSI goes up. First divergence, guys. Okay, can you come with me? One divergence, that's first divergence. Let's move on, This is going down. I don't know if you can see it, but it is going down. Let me use another one. Let me use the extended so you can see that it actually goes down. All right, so the price goes down, the RSI continues going up. That's second divergence. And look at this, guys. Look at this right over here right now. This is third RSI divergence on the daily chart, third divergence in a row on the daily chart. And right now we are getting also the morning doji star candlestick pattern over here. So you got three divergences, 1, 2, 3 in a row. You're getting morning doji star pattern. On the 4-hourly, you are breaking the 20 moving average really nicely. On the daily, you are breaking the 10 moving average. You are back inside the triangle. We're gonna see that, but we are back inside triangle. And this might, not only that, but there might also be some kind of a falling wedge over here that we might actually break out of. Bullish. I don't know if you are bullish, but I'm bullish. I'm bullish, guys. I'm bullish. How you guys doing? Didn't mean to offend you, just thought that content is better than the realized exposure. I'm not quite sure what you mean by that. I didn't get. Is 31K really? Is 31K Okay, really few. I'm not quite sure. I don't think so. Hit the like button, right? Yeah, if you wanna hit the like button, you know, can hit it, but you know, it's not important to hit it right now. But on the way out, be sure to hit the like button. This can be a trap. Everything can be a trap. That cross is delayed. Maybe we're gonna see, but you understand what why I'm the ones left here are short and going to get wrecked. Wow, I'm so bullish after this. Didn't see this. Thanks a lot. So you guys have to understand that we can always fall back, like nothing is given. Elon Musk can tweet tomorrow, you know, but yeah, you know, the way I see it, like it looks good. It looks good. Not only that, there is something that nobody's talking about because it's not actually technical analysis, you know. It's something like in my head, you know. But I've seen so many charts. I've seen so many charts that, you know, that this pattern becomes kind of obvious. I don't know why. So basically I've just turned around chart, you know. I mirrored the chart vertically, you know, understand? Okay, so I mirrored the chart vertically. So what I'm going to show you now, there is absolutely no technical analysis that is going to tell you this. This is in no books or anything like that, but it's so common, and you know, I've been watching charts forever. So you know, when I see this, like, you know, so when you see the price, you know, pumping up to the hard and then starts going sideways, everybody think it's gonna blow up to the top again, right? And what happens, it tries to get up and then fails, right? And then these moving averages at the end fail and you have a big drop to the downside. Okay, so price starts climbing, so price starts climbing the moving averages, right? And then try to like consolidate over here, and try to go higher, but it fails and then just drops down. So that's the drop that I'm actually waiting for, just other way around, right? So the price went down, start hugging the moving average, and everybody think we're gonna have a drop, and it tried to go down, it failed. Right now get back right back in again, and right now I'm waiting for that small piece of you know, the price goes up, then starts hugging the moving averages, and fall downs. There is no technical analysis is gonna tell you this, because you know, it's just something I've noticed, you know. But you know, that cat bounce, maybe not. Safe to say that the real test is when we get back to the 40s, the Fib retracement. I'm not as worried here as I will be when we go higher. Thoughts? Fib, don't make me do Fibs, man. Don't make me do Fibs. Fib retracement. You know, if you're gonna do Fib retracement, we gotta do the weekly, man. We gotta do the weekly, and then I think we want to do Fib from over here, because that's actually technically when the bull run started, right? So we're gonna do Fib from over here to the top over here, and look at it. I don't, guys. I'm not very good I don't actually love the Fibonacci's. Everybody who knows me knows that I don't do Fibonacci's, I don't do Elliott waves, I don't do a lot of things, but this is funny. We hit exactly on the dollar almost the 0.618. So if you want some kind of retracement, there you go, guys. There you go, your retracement. Isn't this like the best number to hit on the retracement? This and 32 or something like that, 38 or something like that. Yeah, I know how to use, like, I know how to use the Fibonacci, but I don't like Fibonacci's, because okay, sure, Fibonacci 0.61 got hit, sure, whatever, but I don't get it. Why should I use Fibonacci as some kind of and you know, you can also say that 38 got hit. You can see here perfectly, right, on the dollar, right? You can also say that. And right now you can say that you know, 60, but you know, I like to use the moving averages as supports, you know. So don't listen to the negative ninnies. I don't know, 36.8, come on, 36.8, can we do 36.8? I don't know if we can do 36.8. It's just another angle. Can you explain in short how Fibonacci actually works? Basically, how, you know, Fibonacci numbers, you know, these you know, Fibonacci numbers, you know, in nature they are repeatedly. I don't know the mathematical formula for Fibonacci numbers, but there is some kind of mathematical formula for Fibonacci numbers, and they are very repeated in nature. So basically, what, you know, people that use Fibonacci do is they have something called Fibonacci extension or retracement. This is a retracement. So they take the distance from where the move started, right, from the, over where it ended, and they want to see how much the price is going to retrace. So they're counting from 0 down to 0.23 down to 0.38, because these numbers are Fibonacci numbers, right? So they think that because they are appearing very often in nature, then they have to like have some kind of meaning, and you know, in everything else in life, and that's why they have to have some kind of meaning in the charts. So people are using Fibonacci numbers to figure out, once we hit the top, how far we are going to get down, right? Yeah. So I don't like that. I think that psychology should rule over the numbers, and psychology is you know, the moving averages and not the Fibonacci. So, but you see, I understand why people are using it. But breakout, BTC breakout, dude, 9.10. Yeah, wow. Okay, BTC breakout. Yeah, look, it's not a breakout. We have the guys. Chill. There is no breakout. Like the 4 hourly is not closed in 2 hours. 1 hourly is already above the 200 moving average. The daily, it's not a breakout. It's just small move to the upside. You can see. You see this week over here. You know, we have already been there, man. We have already been there. It's no breakout, just like small move to the up and down. You know, it's wicking it up and down. Wyckoff perfect so far. I haven't seen actually a perfect Wyckoff so far, but maybe it is. Maybe it is. I don't know. I haven't seen it. Like, whoop. Cabman is in the chat. How you doing, Cabman? Are you as bullish as I am? I'm very, very bullish. I'm so bullish, guys. I'm so bullish. It's nice. It's good to be bullish for once, you know, because you know this down moment is really you know, getting to us. I got more stuff to show you guys. I'm gonna show you a falling wedge now. There is it. First donation, guys. $5 Canadian. Looking back at the Dodge Daddy song was the signal to sell. Love the channel. Keep. Yeah, maybe that's it. Maybe that's it, man. We're gonna, every time Bitcoin starts dumping, we're gonna play Dodge Daddy. Are you up for the Dodge Daddy? Let's put some Dodge Daddy. I don't know where it is. Twitch maybe. Twitter. I don't know where my Dodge Daddy is. There is it. Let's play it once. I don't know, you guys, if you like this song, but you know, the song is for all my Bubba bros. Nice. How you guys doing? Zika point out head and shoulders on the hourly. I don't trust the lower time frame. Should we? Yeah, I think it already played out or something like that, I think. But yeah, don't trust the small time frames. You're correct about that. The bullish adapter. That's right. I'm very bullish now. I like it. I like being bullish, you know. You're a millionaire. I say you're lazy. I'm like electricity, I'm the path of least resistance. Right now we're gonna make Dodge Daddy be the bullish song of this channel. Okay, while the song is going, let me show you the triangles. Not important to say, just some support. Thanks, man. I appreciate the support. Love it. Thanks. I don't know, guys. When you see this falling wedge, if you're gonna get bullish, I don't know what you're gonna get bullish about. Look at it. Look at the falling wedge, guys. I told you I had stuff to show you today. Yeah. There's all kind of bullish signals, guys. All kind of bullish signals. I don't know if you can see it, but it's so bullish. Put your ties on your head. Cup and handle on 4 hourly. I haven't seen it. Oh, you mean there is no handle. We need handle. If you're gonna get the cup, we need handle. You are the Nordic nightmare. Thanks. I don't know. What song is that? That's Dodge Daddy. Dodge Daddy. So, you know, go, let me promote this guy a little bit. You know, go to this channel over here. He's called Oscar. Wait. He's called Oscar Anaya. 55 subs and 529 views on Dodge Daddy. So, you know, go there, give him a like, you know. Be a millionaire. Campaign and boom, we're going back to 48k. Yeah, definitely. We just need this handle, guys. It's gonna be nice. See here, and then this is the cup. Then you got a plate with the sports. Bro is the BTC in bull run. Yeah, right now it's in bull run. I don't know how else to describe it. Okay, that's the song. Yeah, nice drawing. Yeah, that's the cup and handle, guys. That's the cup and handle. So maybe it's gonna play out, but I don't see it right now. Like, let's see on 1 hourly. It's kind of sketchy. It's kind of sketchy. So when it comes to cup and handle, guys, when it comes to cup and handle, there is you know, there are rules for cup and handles. You have to have some kind of neckline, right? Neckline, and then you have to have some kind of a handle, right? So you got a cup and you got a handle, and only when this handle starts going back to the neckline of the cup, right, and breaks the neckline, then you know, we have this move. What was this move right now at? Something like this over here. Yeah, 43,000 or something like that, give or take. So that's that's the cup and handle. So it looks good. But guys, on the daily chart, there is a falling wedge right now, and that's also bullish. It's hitting it 3 times over here. 1, 2, 3 times, 3 perfect hits, and then 1, 2, and there is technically, wait, it's over here, something like this, give or take. Yeah, so 1, 2, and 3rd time, and right now we're hitting the same kind of resistance right now on the top as well. Wait. But it is a falling wedge, so so it is looking very good, you know, and falling wedges have bigger probability to break to the upside and to the downside. Now take into consideration that we have the divergence, this Morningstar doji pattern. We are breaking some moving averages. We are getting into this you know, fall where we actually gonna go up. It looks very good. It looks very good, guys. It looks very good. You know, Rembrandt. Can you compare BTC to alts like XRP or VeChain? Seems like they didn't pump like BTC. Dude, Ethereum didn't pump. Ethereum didn't do anything. Ethereum like stood in a place and did not move. And I don't get it why. It's just getting barely above the 20 moving average. So either the Bitcoin is super bullish and everything else is not, or you know. Benjamin Cohen, what did Benjamin say this time? Bullish means we think it's going up. Yeah, yeah, probably. Natural stuff. What did Benjamin Cohen say? I know he was talking about the debt cross and the you know, how much we have to have, how much money that we have to do per day on Bitcoin to go up. Yeah, Ethereum is still asleep. Ethereum is like 3% right now. Alts always react at later stage unless Bitcoin pumps more. Usually when Bitcoin pumps like 2-3%, altcoins pump 20%. Right now Bitcoin is up 10% and everything else like, oh, wait, what happened? Nobody knows what happened. What do you think about Polygon? Not much. I don't understand fundamentals of these chains and you know, DeFi, define everything a lot, and it just takes too much time of my time to actually get into everything and understand how everything's working out. So I was like, nope, I'm just gonna do technical analysis, you know. Maybe next bull run I'll be more into technicals, but a lot of people are very bullish on Polygon, so why not? ETC is over 7%. Keep up with BTC. ETC, yeah, ETC 8.16% right now. It's trying to get up. But it's still below the moving averages on the day. Let's see. Yeah, nice. On the 4 hourly, it's above the 20 moving average, and you can see here, it's important to be above. Guys, if you want a pro tip, 20 moving average on the 4 hourly, important moving average. You can see here, support or resistance. Right now we are above support, so it looks good. It looks good. Definitely looks good. Best regards for Montenegro. Polygon is master of scalability. Maybe it is. Maybe it is. would I go long, man? Didn't you follow the stream? And I played Dodge Daddy on the stream. Didn't you follow the stream? Would I go long? You guys, but that said, word of advice, if this actually fails, you know, because, you know, there is no certainties right now. We are sitting on a resistance. This is a resistance line, then you got 10-20 moving average resistance. You probably got some kind of resistance line up here as well that I'm not seeing right now. You know, and probability right now, the way I see it, probability is huge that we are gonna go up, but, you know, we can always, you know, we can always go a little bit back again down and then break to the upside. You know, anything can happen. You know, I'm saying, like Elon Musk and tweets. So always have some kind of safety net when going to the downside. Whenever you enter a position, you know, figure out where your stop losses should be. Like on the 4-hourly, you don't want to break the blue line here, the 20 moving average. You don't want to go back there. You don't want to go below 34,700, right? Also on the daily chart, you don't want to go below this number down here at 34,600. You know, because if you start going back down there again, like that's gonna be bad, and then you start breaking this low here. Like, sure, there is less point of defense down here, but if you break that, like, then you know, it's already down like something like it's already down something like 20%. You know, that doesn't work. You know, you cannot do that. But you at least know that if it starts breaking like 34.7, 34.6 or something like that, if it starts going back to these levels down here, I would be worried. But right now, bullish. So right now I'm thinking this is gonna break out of this. And you know, you guys, does anybody know why I drew the line straight through this part over here? You know, pro technical analysis tips. Guys, if you want to learn technical analysis, figure out these kind of small tips and tricks, patreon.com, the late adopter. Check it out if you want to learn technical. But does anybody knows why I can draw the line right through the bodies of the candles? Especially this one over here, and why it doesn't matter that the line is not going actually something like over here, up here. Fake out. No, it is technical analysis. Actually, it's not just a breakout or something like that with my red wine. Why can people just draw you know, lines like right through the body of the candle? Fake out. When moon pumpage doesn't fit with average. Yeah, because it broke out of. It didn't confirm. Maybe something like this. Cancelled. Max fit. Is it because of the lower high? No. I think somebody might actually figure this out. 4 perfect weak touches. Yeah, man, sure, but why can you draw like right through the candle? Because you can. Yeah, I can do that. I can do it. But you guys can do this too. You guys can do this too. Good evening, Maskinavia, bro. What do you think about BTC? One more dump or steady and the moon? Thanks. Steady and to the moon, man. Maybe the green being invalidating because the line connect the top or bottom of the wicks. No, not quite. Because the red line invalidated. Yes, it did invalidate, but how? How did it invalidate it? Too early to say what's with this yet. The Liga tender news seem oddly timed, and if it's actually a real pump, there would have been some real volume. Maybe that's it. Maybe El Salvador is pumping my side. My stoned brain thinks more touching points. Yeah. Okay. Engulfing candle negates the earlier. Thank you, man. Jonah figured it out. Okay, so guys, here's the pro tech analysis tip, and if you want to learn more tips and stuff like that, you know, check out the Patreon. That said, this candle over here is a bullish, bearish engulfing candle. You'll see this a lot of times on every chart, and these are things that should not have happened. If you combine these two candles over here, if you combine them two, you will get actually you get a big wick with a body down here. Okay, so body here, big wick, right? So technically we are not actually we are still inside the triangle, you know, because this candle over here, it's in number one, it's invalidating the previous candle. This is a bearish engulfing candle, but these two candles together form a bigger candle. Let me see if I can see this on the 2-day chart. No, I cannot see this 2-day chart because this is daily. So 2-day chart, no, I cannot be because it's not actually using these two charts. Maybe 3-day. Yeah, but 3-day charts is no. Yeah. That doesn't matter. These two candles over, you know what we can do? We can go to the BLX, but because BLX is gonna show us on the 2 days. No, it's not. I just forget about it. But that's the thing, you know. Bullish engulfing candles and bearish engulfing candles negate the previous candle, and if the body is below or somewhere the rest of the body, because this negates entirety of the upper body, so this becomes only a wick, right? And so you got only a small body on the downside when you combine the two candles, and that's why you can actually just draw the line straight through the body of the, when you're drawing the you know, when you are connecting the wicks, you can draw the line just straight through the body, because this doesn't matter. So anytime you see these bearish or bullish engulfing candles, you know what you can do with that. And there you go, guys. Pro TA tips for you on this fine evening. Will we get retest breakout? What do you mean will we get retest breakout? We are already retesting it, like you know what. You know, these people are talking about this over here. So you know, you can see here that we are sitting at the exact resistance right now on the way up, you know, so this can always like break to the downside. We are sitting at the very resistance, you know, and that's why, if that move isn't, why did you choose the candle to draw your triangle from? Why did you choose that candle to draw your triangle from? The bigger triangle, because you can do that, but you can also draw the other ones. They're not just like one option that's actually correct. Both options are correct, and you will see once this starts going up here, it's gonna get some kind of resistance on this line as well over here. Once it starts going up here, this line over here also will give it resistance. Maybe it's actually, this one is better because it hit this wick over here. So you got 3 weeks, 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. And once we start going up here, you will see that this line is might also act as a resistance. Maybe on small time frame, but you know, there is not only one actual good line. You know, there are a lot of lines, but some are more important than other ones. What would you do, long or short? You know, I adopted, is this time for a short trade on BTC? You know, there might be time for a short trade, because guys, I'm bullish, like we said, very bullish and everything, but you know, there is always a but. There was always a but. I'm bullish, but there is but. You see that we are hitting the resistance. You see that we are hitting the resistance, right? Moving averages, we are hitting the resistance. So there's a lot of resistance. There is a saying, you know, sell resistance, buy support. So what people have done that have bought up here, you know, they bought some kind of support, they went up, they're selling here. So when they break the resistance and test it as a support, they buy support again and then go along. So what everybody should do if they want to go along here is get above this, you know, above the resistance, test that resistance as support, and then you know get in, because you always buy on the support and sell on the resistance. Because this will, if you try to FOMO in right now, you know, you might actually get burned. It might happen. It might happen. When can you distinguish between a BTC retracing up before an ultimate bear dump versus BTC going up to make all-time high? You will see a lot of bullish signals. You will see a lot of bullish signals. You know, and that's with the technical analysis, bullishness versus bearishness. When price is going up, like all the resistances just gets very easily broken. Like you see the price just like breaks everything, like nothing is stopping it. It just keeps on climbing up, right? But in a downtrend like we are having right now, like every move to the upside is really hard. Right, every move to the upside is really hard, and every little resistance is stopping it. Like, and it has to use a lot of, you know, bullishness and a lot of positivity to like push it just a little bit up, and then it just fails, you know. So this move right now, it broke like everything with ease. That's why I'm saying this is a very bullish move. It broke everything with ease. We are not at the way where we are talking about something like this is continuation of the bull market or anything, but the move itself is very bullish because it broke some certain resistances with ease. It didn't even stop for a while. It just broke everything, and that's why we are bullish. And so that's the how you are analyzing the charts. You are analyzing bearishness versus bullishness, and if you if you have you know, bullish signals, you know, they're going up. And you know, in the bull market, like everything just works out. Like, doesn't matter how you buy it, like what you do, like everything, you know, every support is holding, every resistance gets broken. Like, it's super nice, right? Everything works out just as it should be. But once you start go, you know, it's actually from over here. But once you start going down, like everything seems to have a like resistance, and it's just not hard. It's just not easy to break them. It's just not easy, you know. So if you want to be bullish and you want to go to 60,000, you want to see the Bitcoin breaks like 10 and 20 moving average, like with these, like on the daily. It just started pumping up, right? We are below this is 200 moving average. You want to see Bitcoin like break it. If you are bullish, you want to see Bitcoin break these moving averages with ease. You want to just see jump and go higher and higher, right? Unfortunately, that's not the case, and we have seen that for the last, what's that, 19 for almost a previous month. Like we trying to like crawl, but you know, you can do that. So I am positive, aren't? So you aren't positive. What wet prices should I set overnight so I don't miss out? And no clue, man. Now that you're bullish, what do you need to see before buying either short-term or long-term? What I need to see, I want to see the daily candle close. I want to see the daily candle close, and then I'm gonna follow the small time frames tomorrow. But it depends on where it closes up here. Like the best case scenario, it closes above the 20 moving average, and then it doesn't fall the next day, just like over here. You know, I don't want to see some big red candle here the next day or something like that. So you know, some kind of support. You know, because buying right now, it's actually a stupid thing, because you're sitting at the resistance. You know, you don't want to buy at resistance. Maybe sure you can buy, but then you like I said, you have to have some kind of stop loss, because this can always go against you, right? The best time to buy is buying the dips, right? But nobody's actually sure where the dip is, so you gotta go into the small time frames, right? And this is 1 hourly, so technically best actually like entry point. The way I see the best entry points was actually over here once we broke the 20 moving average. But it's easy to looking thing in retrospect back in time, right? But the 20 moving average on the 4 hourly was actually quite decent entry point, and then we went up to the, because that confirmed some kind of bullishness. But here is the big thing, you know, I just explained for new guys that are here. You know, there are three RSI divergences here in a row that are happening right now. 3 divergences, 1, 2, 3, right? 1, 2, 3. Yes, these 2 bottoms goes down as well. So this triple RSI divergence here, like you have to, you know, this pumped a little bit, this pumped a little bit, this pumped a little bit, but eventually, you know, you gotta continue going up. So triple divergence, that's huge. So I think this is gonna continue up, but you know, there is no certainties in tech analysis. Like, we can say like, oh, it's gonna continue up, but we don't know. We are hoping, we are saying the probabilities to the upside, you know, but you never know. It can go down as well. But there is just so much bullishness right now. There's so much bullishness right now. Hex is at all-time high again. Yes, man, you are correct. That thing is built to create green candles. Best buy time was 10 years ago, and I got a time machine to lend me for it quickly. Do these divergences mean bullish? Yes, they do. You see every single divergence, you know, every divergence pump the price, divergence pump the price, divergence pump the price. So technically these divergences are finished, but we are in a falling wedge, so maybe we can actually get out of it, right? We are also above certain supports, you know, and right now we're trying to break 10 and 20, and you know, if that happens, then it might actually pull us up. But these divergences, you see, the divergences are not actually going pulling you, you know, to the top. You know, they are helping you just to pump. Look at the amount of shorts that have been put up. It's insane. Maybe a GameStop like short squeeze. Yeah, that would be nice. I think I saw that image of the shorts that are being right now put up. So you know, that might be it. Hyperinflation is 50 per month. The 20 amount daily is at 37. Yeah, it's something like that, I think. 36.7 or something like that. Let's see over here. 36.6. 36.63, give or take. That's the number. Sir, maybe we'll be back to 30. You can hope. Why is ADA ignored? ADA is not ignored, man. What's happening? It's just 0.73%. It's just doing, yeah, the biggest fear I have about this, you know, I told you guys, I'm bullish and everything is nice and then all of that, right? But the biggest fear is that alts are not performing. Yeah, I'm thinking here, why are alts not performing? Why is Ethereum only 3% up when Bitcoin is 9% up? Why are we only 3% up? So I am thinking like maybe I'm wrong. Maybe we are gonna go down. So, you know, always have some kind of stop loss, guys. But it's good to be bullish for a while, you know. Are really alts affected by Bitcoin or leave them online? They are definitely affected by Bitcoin. Most state coin 70%. What do you think about BTT right now? I haven't checked in a while. He just following Bitcoin, going down. It's not actually BTT. It's on the daily. It went below the moving averages. There is some kind of right now maybe this is the third. It should be something like this over here. Then we dumped. Yeah, we are below the triangle. I think that's why I'm saying, like, these altcoins are not performing as well as Bitcoin. So that's why this pump that we got up to the 20 moving average, like. But like I told you, like there is a lot of positivity, like lot of good things. Let me just recap. Like, first of all, we got triple RSI divergence here, right? Triple RSI divergence. So you got triple RSI divergence here. That's a good thing, right? You got this falling maybe something like this over here. You got this falling wedge, right? That has the probability to break to the upside, right? You are right now trying to break the 10 and 20 moving average you're trying to break the 10 and 20 moving average on the daily. That's a good thing, right? That's bullish, right? We managed to hit the 32 support, very important supports. This is the 32 to 59 support, and then you got a 50 moving average that's right over down here. You can see how close we got to 39, and it's sitting on 29. So it's really close. That's like 5% down to hit the 50 moving average on the weekly time frame, you know. So we did hit some kind of bottom down here. I think we did hit some kind of bottom here. Now there is also these three candles here, you know, Canadian Japanese candlesticks, right? Canadian candlesticks, Japanese candlesticks, right? That are very bullish. On the 4 hourly, we managed to get back above the 20 moving average, right? So there are all kinds of and right now we are maybe going for still 1 hour and 46 minutes, maybe trying to take out this level up here right now, because that was previous previous high before the dump. So if we can take out that level over here, maybe it's gonna happen. So we're gonna see that. Let's see how this looks on the on the hourly time frame. Are we actually doing it on the hourly? No, we're not. On hourly we are not yet breaking it, so we still fail to break this high on the hourly, you know, but we are trying. So there are a lot of bullish signals, but we are not there yet. So keep that in mind that we are not there yet, and I think we need some kind of a breakout out here to actually confirm the bullishness. But I'm more bullish than bearish. Okay, guys, I'm more bullish than bearish. Now there is also this line up here, of course, you know, the triangle that we've been watching for a month now. That right now it looks like it's a retest. So everybody says, it's a retest, we're gonna dump down, and maybe that's why the alts are not actually pumping the way they should be pumping, you know. But you take what you get. Maybe Trump family buy some BTC. If that happens, you know, BTC is going to the moon. Cup and handle in 1 hour. Yeah, people are saying about cup and handle, but we don't have the handle right now, I think. Let's see how this is playing out. I don't think there is any handle right now. I mean, the handle should be a little bit bigger over here, something like this, right? So you got this. I don't know. I don't think that's true. I think handle should be a little bit bigger, and then so maybe when we hit when this 20 moving average starts coming up, if we hit 20 moving average and then bounce, then maybe it's a cup and a handle. Maybe then. Jump Nefu 2. Bitcoin Diamond up 47%. Yeah, that's the pump in Altcoin, man. Bitcoin Diamond always does some crazy numbers like 50% like all the time. Where's Bitcoin Diamond? BT. There's it, BCD. Yeah, you know, it always does some really. You can see it over here. Let's see. This 2019, 2018. Yeah, even though it is going up, it always have these crazy pumps, guys. It always have these crazy pumps. This is 71%, right? This is some crazy numbers over here. I just turn off, that's 80%. It always have these crazy pumps, 80%. And this was like a characteristic during the bear market, right? 60%. This 2017, and after that, like it always, from time to time, it just like goes like sideways and then has like these big pumps, like insane. So everybody is like suddenly watching the coin market cap. You know, 2008, everybody is watching market cap, and then suddenly you see this, you know, Bitcoin Diamond pops like 100% out of the blue. Everybody's like, hey, what's happening? Is Bitcoin Vault a scam? I have no clue what Bitcoin Vault is, so cannot tell you about it. LTC possible breakout, maybe. Bitcoin up 10%. Let's see over here. Yeah, we are above the 20 moving average, so we're gonna see, but the day is still not done. And you know, the 4-hourly candle is still 1 hour and 42 minutes. So 4-hourly candle and the daily will actually correspond with each other. Patrick, it's weird because if Bitcoin was tanking, they would follow. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's really weird. Kusama killing. Yeah, I saw Kusama. Kusama's up like 20%, like 18% right now. Yeah, Kusama is definitely doing well. Kusama is only one who's taking the hint from Bitcoin, and it's like, yeah, let's go, guys. Firo is not doing anything. Is Firo doing anything? Nah, Firo is not doing anything. 2%. Can you look at XRP? XRP is not doing anything, man. 2% also. XRP is not doing anything. Wasn't XRP hard to actually draw the... Yeah. Maybe give or take, something like this. But yeah, this is the reason why I'm actually don't know what Bitcoin is gonna do, because a lot of these things are still in the triangle. They are still waiting. They are below the moving averages. This is daily, so you know even Bitcoin is below daily, but this is still even above the 20 moving average on the 4-hourly time frame. So I'm not quite sure what's gonna happen, guys. I'm not quite sure what's gonna happen, but it's nice having Bitcoin up 10%, but you know, you're never sure what's gonna happen. What do you think about SafeMoon? Well, I think SafeMoon is old news. Can you check the last 2 Japanese candles on 50 minutes? You can say, can you check 2 last candles? You don't have to mention on 50-minute chart. On BTC, it's nothing. They're just green. They're green and nice. They are bumping off this, you know, so we are right now hitting the resistance. So I think maybe a lot of people are FOMOing in right now. Let's see. Let's see hourly. Oh, this candle over here pumped real hard. Let's see how this looks on the 4-hourly. Yeah, that's the candle over here. Once we closed above this 20 moving average, okay, next candle we actually got the volume in. So the 20 moving average was actually important, and then we got the volume in to get above the 50 moving average. Now the price is actually going up, the volume is actually going down, so we're gonna see what's happened. But I think maybe this is actually right now. I think we might actually have some kind of bounce to the downside, because the big volume came in here, right? And right now the price is going up, but the volume is going down. So this is a fake move to the upside. So I think it's gonna retrace down here right now. I think we're gonna retrace down here right now. I'm not saying we're gonna go back or anything, but I think we're gonna retrace. So maybe we're gonna create the, you know, cup and handle formation soon. We just broke the falling wedge, and that's bullish. Did we? Yeah, we you know, for breaking the falling wedge, we need the daily close. You know, whenever daily close comes, you know, that's gonna be. What do you think about ICP? Not much. I think it's bleeding. Like, you know what? I don't know why. There was a lot of like, oh, this is next big thing, and it was just going down, 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 down. If it's the next big thing, why is it just going down? I don't know. What are the all moving averages you use? 10, 20, 50, 100, 200. Bitcoin Cash. Dogecoin to the moon. One of the better live channels I found, not about entertainment but information. Keep it up. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. ICP Westfall got a lot of money in it. If you got a lot of money in it, I feel sorry for you, man. I've seen the charts. Do you believe to Doge to the moon? If Elon believes, I believe. But when is the question? Not if, but when. When is the question? Tron and Ella, no clue. Has Ella spoken on VeChain yet? No. Love the beer. Can you check the enzyme coin? Not right now. I just want to talk about a little bit about Bitcoin, man. What's your outlook for next couple of weeks on BTC? A couple of weeks, man. That's a lot of time, man. A couple of weeks is a lot of time. Couple of weeks. I think to the upside, you know, because I think we are extended to the downside. So I think we need to move to the upside, you know. I think we need to move to the upside before we can actually continue to downside, because we have tried now 3 times. 1, 2, 3. This is 4th try. We're trying to push the price down, and it just doesn't go. So you have to have some kind of move to the upside. You have to have all these, you know, people go up. Then you have to put them stop loss, you know, go leverage long and stuff, and then push them down and like liquidate everything on the way down and push price lower. So I think that has to happen. I think that has to happen. Let's see what's happening on 1 minute chart on here. I think somewhere around here. 70, something there. How much is that? 2%. What coins do you have? If you don't want to say, just say okay. Now I can say what I got, something called USDT. You're one of those sneezes that sounds just like a whole back at climbers. Yeah, I do. I don't know why I do that. Like I've done that in my entire life. I think it's not healthy because I hold it in. I don't sneeze out. You know, and my whole lecture like. I don't know why I do that. I don't know why I do that. I don't think it's healthy. Bro, you're very bearish. No faith in Bitcoin anymore. No, I got Bitcoin, man. I got faith. I got all the faith I need. I'm in bullish right now, man. All good and nice and dandy. Good work, fella. Doing the course next month. I hope the wife gets the phone at some point. Help us believe you're making cash your end. Help us believe you're making cash your end. Yeah. Anyways, thanks for doing the course. You know, it's getting there. It's getting there. It's doing good. And you know, any kind of help, you know, you can always ask in Telegram chat, you know, for whatever. Nice and daddy. USDT is a great project, man. Yeah. I'm very bullish. Matic. There's not happening anything Matic. Are you gonna do a video about ETC soon? Not quite sure. If you see my YouTube channel, like you know, the live streams is the thing that's actually pulling the people right now. You know, people have been doing the videos, but you know, people are not just interested in when things are going down. You know, nobody's interested in watching the videos. And you saw the CoinSkid and me. We are doing like 8 videos a day. You know, when price was going up, because everything want to see everything, right? But right now, you know, you make like videos and people are like, just like, nah. So I'm doing daily live stream every morning, every single morning at 9:30 Central European Time, daily Bitcoin live stream. The pump is suspicious, looks like a trap to me. Yeah, I'm telling you guys, it might be suspicious, but right now it's 11.38%. 11.38%. It's going up. Let's see on the daily. Oh, look at a pump. That's nice, but it's too. I think the pump is just too early. Do you think a close above 37k is bullish? Yeah, I think close above the 20 moving average is actually bullish. I think close above these two over here is bullish, unless we get an extra red candle down here. Like that's like wrecked everything. Wow, still at highs. Yeah, and somebody mentioned that we are at some kind of all-time high shorts or something like that. Not all-time, but we have a lot of shorts right now, and that might actually be good to push the price higher up. Because if you have a lot of shorts and price keeps going up, all these shorts are either gonna get liquidated and push the price up, or they are gonna close the shorts and gonna push the price up. Either way, they're pushing the price up. So having a lot of shorts when the price is moving up is a good thing. It's a bullish thing, guys. It's a bullish thing. Wow, still at the highs. Back to 37k already. Yeah, we are 37k right now. It's looking good. It is suspicious. Yeah, it is suspicious. I understand that. It is very, very suspicious. I get that. But don't ruin the party. Let's have the party. You know, these days are not. We don't have these days a lot right now, right? Because we are in some kind of downtrend, and you know things are not looking the best. And you know, so when we are having a good day, like just let us have a good day. Why don't you like SafeMoon? I don't have anything against SafeMoon. I bought SafeMoon when nobody knew about SafeMoon. Yeah, you know, I know when to buy Ponzi's. Now the problem is I sold SafeMoon with minus 20 loss because I thought it was finished. Now unfortunately it went like 100x since I sold, you know, but I don't have anything against SafeMoon. It's a Ponzi. I know how Ponzi's work. If you are first, then you're gonna get your money. Now unfortunately I thought like Ponzi's were done, you know, when SafeMoon started falling back, and after that all these other Ponzi's like came after the SafeMoon. Yeah, guys, we are not doing Matic until Bitcoin stops pumping. But once it stops, I can check out. The people are saying about that cross that will happen, and that's going on. Do we need to take any trade on alts? The people are saying about that cross. When will it happen, and what's going on? Bucks love the money, as always. I think we're breaking the downward wedge. You think? You think we're breaking it? Let's see the line. Let's see the line. Yeah, I think we're breaking, guys. I think we're breaking out of the wedge. People are saying about that cross. Yeah, I get that. SafeMoon going to the Gambia today. Maybe. I don't know. But, you know, SafeMoon, Safe Mars, Safe Galaxy, all these SafeMoon guys, you know, meme coins and stuff like that. They are Ponzi coins. You guys call them meme coins. I know what they are. They're Ponzi coins. The only way you can pump the price is if you spread the memes and you know push the people in there. It's just like Bitcoin. Bitcoin needs adoption to push the price up, right? So okay, it has some kind of you know utility because it uses the electricity. But what is SafeMoon using? Like, is SafeMoon being mined or something like that? Oh, it's a ERC20 token. It can break through resistance. I don't know what you're saying. This Bible is here. I just remove everything. Yeah, it is breaking through 20 moving average. It is breaking through 20 moving. I don't know if it's breaking through resistance or not, but it is breaking through some kind of a yeah, give or take. Yeah, maybe it's some Clarice over here. Maybe some Clarice. Give or take. Yeah. Like we are not discriminating here against any weeks, you know. We use any wicks, doesn't matter what kind of wicks you are. All wicks are made beautiful, you know. We are not discriminating against wicks. So it's nice, nice. Late adopter, please look at BTC USD shorts on TradingView. Why would I look at the BTC? Because you know, it's long time since I looked at it. This is from Bitfinex, guys. This is from Bitfinex, right? This is from Bitfinex. Yeah, the shorts are going through the roof right now. This is daily, this is weekly. The shorts are extreme, but I just explained to you that when there is a lot of shorts, right? When there is a lot of shorts and price is going up, it's actually a good thing when you have a lot of shorts, because if the price continues going up over here, all the shorts will get liquidated and push price more up, or they'll have to close it and for more, you know, close and push the price up. So, you know, having a shorts on an up move is actually very, very good. Matic. Okay, man. First thing first, I'm gonna hide you, and then later I'll do Matic. Imagine if everybody spent chat like with their own question, like. It's gonna come back down to 50. You think? You think? I don't know. But yeah, I mean, you know, this pump that's happened right now, you know, we are right now above the 10 and 20 moving average. It looks like it pumped, so we're gonna see what's gonna happen. But how is the, you know, I just said that we might actually have a pullback and we pumped. So what's up with because the volume went down, 1 hourly volume, what are you gonna say, but the volume is still going down. I don't know, I'm not that good at volume, but that could usually cause a period of lower levels of consolidation, but sometimes also prompts a pump. It's also manic fairy dust, this tea, blah blah, up or down, who knows, If you don't know technical analysis, how do you buy and sell? If you don't know levels of support and resistance, how do you buy and sell? How come everyone is shutting 24 Bitcoin yesterday? Do you still think that? I don't. Why are they also dead? I don't know. It's something fishy is going on. Maybe they're just waiting for confirmation from Bitcoin and then they are gonna, you know, pump. Coinbase just sent out a bullish BTC price report on Android. Value traders don't need to know TA. Of course they do. Imagine being a value trader and buying Bitcoin at 20,000 in 2017. Sure, you're a value trader. You're gonna hold it for 100 years. Sure, you're gonna make money, but it would have been better to buy it at 3K in at 4K in 2019. You know, so you know, sure, value trader. You can buy whenever. You can buy Tesla right now, but you know. It would have been better to buy it like, you know, a year ago, 2 years ago. Do you believe the bottom is in for BTC? I believe the bottom might be in right now for this move. And we're gonna have some kind of a move to the upside, but I'm not quite yet sure. It's only after we get to retest the 10 and 20 moving average. It's only after we retest the 10 and 20 moving average. If we get rejected by 10 and 20 moving average, then the bottom is definitely not. Then we're gonna go lower. But if we retest this 10 and 20 moving average and we break above it, I think then bottom, this might actually have been the bottom. But that's the thing about the technology. We don't know when it's actually in. We can assume BTC looking nice on 1 day, but extending from the 4 hour, which do I prioritize when buying it? So let's see on the 4 hourly. Now the thing is, the daily hasn't closed yet. So Immortal says, Jules said, BTC looking nice on, yeah, it looks nice on the daily, but you have to ask yourself, will it do another 10%? This is 10.84. Will it do another 10%, you know, in the next 1 hour and 25 minutes? It might do that because right now it's not actually extended from the moving averages, it's just sitting just on the moving averages. But if you look on the 4 hourly time frames, you're gonna see here that 10 and 20 are actually a little bit behind. It's sitting on the 50 and 100 moving average. But then you have to ask yourself, what is actually moving the price over here? And if you just start by looking at the 10 moving average, not the volume, 10 moving average. Let's remove everything else. On the way up, you can see here that 10 moving average is at least getting hit, you know, on the way down. So right now we are extended from 10 moves. So either we're gonna go sideways and wait for the 10 moving average, or we're gonna drop down to the 10 moving average, because I mean it can continue going up, but that's extension on the 4-hourly time frame. You have to have at least, let's see how this can perform in a strong uptrend. Yeah, I mean you have to have some really kind of strong pull to the upside to avoid hitting the, because it always hits the 10 moving average. It always hits the 10 moving average, doesn't matter where. Even in these strong moves to here's a big strong move to the upside where it didn't hit the moving average. It went close, but it didn't hit. But this is a very strong move to the upside. You know, this is from 23. This is a parabolic move. This is almost parabolic move to the upside, right? And then it hits the 20. But right now, I don't think we are in any kind of parabolic strong, you know, push move that's not gonna stop. We just went a little bit fast towards the upside. I don't think this is like something like a huge parabolic move to the 50,000 that the 10,000 won't be able to catch with the price. So I think best thing to do is, you know, if somebody's gonna FOMO into this right now, is to catch it on the 10 moving average, 10 moving average on the 4-hourly, because daily it looks nice, daily technically looks nice, but you know, there's no certainties left. There's no certainties left. You know. You take a risk, you take a chance, and you know, you go with it, and then you kind of risk manage with that a little bit. Why don't you use 200 EMA on your charts? Only good for daily. I use the 200 EMA. I use 10, 20, 50, 100, and 200. But 200 is all the way up there. So when we are looking at like here, you don't see it up there, right? I use 200. I always use 200 and 400 and 800 and sometimes even 1,000. But those are special occasions, and only professional technical analysis can use those. Just kidding. Thanks a lot for the information. Very informative. I try to. Anything for the Patreons, man. Immortal is a Patreon, so you know, if you're a Patreon, you get it all. We need more dump, and then we're good after that. We need one more dump. Why do we need Loch Marler? Why do we need one more dump? You have to explain to me, why do we need one more dump? Guys, if you could hit the like button right now, everybody hit the like button right now. I just want to see if the YouTube algorithm is actually responding to the likes or not. Because right now we got like 6,500 people that have watched this video, and there is like 655 people watching, and there's like 250 likes. So you can like pump the like numbers like really hard for whatever reason. I just want to see if YouTube algorithm is gonna reward me with more viewers because of that. Hey, if possible, can you review Matic, please, and thanks. I'll do that, man. I appreciate it. Thanks, $10, man. I appreciate it. Thanks, boss. Love the money. Love the money. Matic 0.12 right now. 0.12. That's nothing, guys. That's nothing. That's 0.12. So I had, wow, this is the daily. So last 2 days, Matic actually went to my target here. My target was 123, right? And the second target was 107, and it actually went all the way down to the first target, you know, 2 times. Low volume, and dollar goes up, dump coming. Yeah, I saw that volume is kind of going a little bit down. Please make some video tech analysis, how to read charts. I got the tech analysis crash course. If you go to patreon.com, the late adopter, it's out now. So you know, you get the Telegram channel where you can ask questions, you get all kinds of lessons, you get extra stuff, you know. Just join the Patreon. There is a ton of tech analysis you can learn there. Money well worth it. Low volume, and the money goes up. Dump coming, maybe. Let's see what's happening with Matic for the Sky KC86. So Matic, I put this target here for I don't know, a couple of days ago. I think I put it over here, maybe either here or here. No, it was here. maybe give or take. I have actually no clue when did I do my last Matic video, or I did Matic. Maybe I did it on Patreon. Doesn't matter. The target actually hit the 23 actually held right now, and right now it's actually going back a little bit back up again. Let's see, because this is actually technically downtrend, right? And you can see over here it just crushing everything on the way down. But is there a better way to draw this? Let's see if there is a better way to draw this. Yeah, there is. I think there is a better way on the weekly time frame. Yeah, it is something like this. I think it is something like this, give or take. Okay, so he wants me to use this. Yeah, sure. Okay, something like this. Maybe something like this. Maybe somewhere over here. Okay, let's see. Let's use like this. So you can see here. By the way, thanks for all your content. 10 bucks again, man. You're the best, man. I like you. I like you. You're welcome to all of my live streams, man. You're welcome to all of my live streams. Okay, let's see what's happening with. So it might be some kind of falling wedge, but it might be some kind of falling wedge, but it's just not hitting enough of the. Just not hitting enough of these. Yeah, this is too long. I think only part we should be actually caring about is this part over here. Let's look like a falling wedge or something like that. Let's see if it's a falling wedge on the 4 hour. Let's remove the moving averages because they are right now creating too much noise over here. So this was really like a bullish when you go like that and you get a back up, but we didn't get. Then we start bleeding down here. Let's see if. Yeah, this seems like this seems like it, you know, and so this might have been some kind of a falling descending triangle, right? I want to use this one over here, but it looks like it's some kind of descending triangle, so it's not this one over here. So we had a descending triangle over here holding this support, right? And then over here it fell through the support down to this to the next support, and then right now, so right now we are sitting on the support over here, right? So you got support here at some kind of 1.40. what's that? Why is this number not over here? 152, yeah, give or take 153. There should be some kind of support over there, right? And let's see the moving averages. This is on the 4-hourly time frame, so let's remove these. We are still below 20 moving average, and I regard 20 moving average really important for the 4-hourly time frame. And the fact that we are below it, like, it's still nothing. So there is also some kind of pattern going on here, but for that I think we gotta go down to 5 minutes, and we're gonna see what's happening down here. There is some kind of pattern on the 5 minutes as well, right? So there must be something like this over here, right? You can see it, guys, right? I'm not the only one. Let's turn off the magnet. This is not that precise, but it seems to me that it might be something like this, give or take. So this it's not. Let's see, 10 minutes. Seems to me like that it's some kind of a rising wedge, right? So that cannot be a good thing, right? If it is a rising wedge, you know, rising wedge or more something like this, but maybe just rising triangle, because you see here it's holding the so it's a rising triangle. Doesn't matter. Yeah, right now the small time frames, what we are actually interested in, whether it's gonna break one of these. This is a support line, and then you got the resistance line, and whichever it breaks over here right now. So we don't want it actually to break something like right now 145 or something like that, because that will push it below the rising wedge. Whether that's gonna be rising wedge or not. Let's go to the 4-hour. Let's see again over here on the daily. Let's pop some moving averages up here. Yeah, the moving average is right now, you know, we have been holding the 50, but we are getting rejected by the 10 and 20. So he's doing exactly the same thing like everything else right now. You know, Bitcoin is pumping, but everything else is not. It's hard to tell. It's hard to call. It's hard to call. But it looks like we fell through the, you know, we fell through. There was a bigger descending triangle up here, right? And we fell through that, and right now we're hitting it as a resistance. So, you know, we might actually fall down over here. But if Bitcoin's doing the same thing, you know, you'll notice it. You know, everybody's gonna notice it. Thanks for reading out my message. See you in Patreon next month for the iPhone fund. Thanks for the $5, man. I appreciate the money. I appreciate the money. Can you do ETC? No, it just takes too long time. I just want to see what's actually happening. Okay, so thanks guys for all the likes, because we actually lost viewers. So, you know, that's that. But maybe that's but maybe we lost viewers because of me doing Matic. You know, that can happen. But I just want to see if you get like 100 likes plus. We got like 130 likes plus instantly, and we went from 655 people down to 600 people. So, you know, I'm not quite sure how that works out. Let's see over here. One minute chart. Yes, that's why. Should I dislike? You might gain viewers. Yeah, you guys, everybody can try disliking the video. Maybe I gain viewers. It's fine. I'm getting FOMO harder right now. Yeah, probably should wait for some kind of if you're getting FOMO, then I'm thinking we are definitely gonna top 3 most entertaining crypto YouTubes. Who? Where are you from, by the way? Norway. I'm not buying BTC yet because I'm scared of Bogdanov. Dump it. Bullish cross in 2 hours. Bullish cross. What kind of bullish cross? I like, please analyze P rocket token. Nah, that's not gonna happen, man. Sol doing very nicely though. Kebman saying Sol doing very nicely. Let's see Sol, man. Let's see Sol. Sol is up 2%, man. But yeah, it's doing nicely though. It's above all the... Look here, okay, here's the chart of something that's actually looking very nice. So Sol is just like Cardano. And yeah, I think Cardano as well is above all. Yeah, it's above all... No, wait. Where are the rest of the moving? Yeah, it's above all the moving averages on the daily chart. So, you know, Sol is looking technically looking nice. On the 4 hourly, it is pumping above all the moving averages. On the 1 hourly, it's also... technically almost above, trying to get a, yeah, it's above all the moving averages. So it's above all moving averages on all time frames. That's very bullish to start with, right? That's a good thing. We like that. Next thing, there should be some kind of support lines over here. Let me see some kind of support lines. There is a resistance up here. That's definitely resistance. That's going to be hard to break. Over here, you can see here that we hit that resistance almost on the dollar. Over here, so that resistance is going to be hard to break. But on the weekly chart also looking very nice. So let's see over here if there is any kind of pattern forming on the daily. On the daily, is there any kind of pattern? This might, you know, I'm thinking I see a lot of these rising wedges right now. I don't know why, but you know what, guys, rising wedges broke to the upside on yeah, this isn't it. Maybe something like this, maybe something like this over here. No, maybe something like this, give or take, maybe. But then, you know, it might have been this as well. Maybe something like this. Yeah, but these rising wedges, you know, Bitcoin had a rising wedge and Bitcoin broke to the upside. Bitcoin broke to the upside on the rising wedge. I'm gonna find the rising wedge. I think I had the rising wedge for Bitcoin written somewhere around here. Yeah. It was on 1 hourly, and that there was some kind of rising wedge up here. I think I got it up here. Yeah, it was something like this. I was watching the chart earlier, right? And it was maybe something like, no, it wasn't something like that. something like this over here, I think. Yeah, give or take, yeah. It's not perfect, but you know, whatever. Something like this, I think. So I was looking at this, it was prior to this breakout up here, right? It went up here, so I was thinking like it might actually get rejected and fall down because, you know, rising wedges fall over. But when it broke to the upside, this is actually quite bullish. This is actually quite bullish. Sol, very Sol. Therefore, Sol might actually also break to the upside. Maybe if it's bullish enough, it might actually break to the upside. You know, there is always that. Tina again, I just put all my crypto in Bitcoin. You put all your crypto in Bitcoin. I'm not quite sure. You put all your money in Bitcoin or all your crypto in Bitcoin. Are we in bear market? If you ask Alessio Restani, he'll tell you that we have to go up to the test at certain levels, and if we get rejected by those levels, we are in bear market. But until then, we are still bullish. So basically, what Alessio Restani is saying that on Bitcoin, right? We have to test some highs, right? So there was some kind of head and shoulders pattern over here, and people are looking at that as well, right? That is a very important line. So what they are saying that we have to go up here and test some moving averages, just like I said, we have to test some moving averages, some resistance to the upside. If we get rejected by those levels, then it's a bear market. And then, you know, unless you know, if you break it to the upside, then it's not a bear market, we are actually going up. So that might actually be good. But if you get rejected, it's a bear market. Can you read Carlos Calito's comments and give your thoughts? Who is Carlos Calito's? Calito's comment and give your... Where should I read that? In the chat? Alessio is the most gentleman of crypto. Yeah, he's nice. I like Alessio. I mean, we have our differences in the styles, but I like Alessio. Alessio is fine. Carlesio, interesting. Wonder it will play out. How you say? Who's Carlesio, man? Carlesio. Oh, there. Alts are not pumping because they are linked to ETH. They are holding ETH price steady and pumping BTC. BTC's dominance of 43. It can't support itself. This is a fake out. You think so? Think so? Maybe there is something like that. I mean, it's too much for me to analyze. You know, that's some next level analysis. But you know, maybe. So what he is saying that altcoins are actually correlated with Ethereum and not Bitcoin. So when Bitcoin is going up and Ethereum is going up, like altcoins are going up. But if, you know, just Bitcoin is going up and Ethereum is not going up and altcoins, then something is not right. And you know, they're holding ETH price steady and pumping BTC. So altcoins are pumping BTC. I'm making money, so I'm good. Yeah, that's nice to hear. That's nice to hear. This one. Yeah. Nice. Just checking something, guys. Just checking something. I'm leaving this world. Don't do that, man. I can tell you that the other world is not good as well. You know, you will just be leaving world for the world. It's not good, man. Just stick around this world. You know, you make the best out of it. Please do the intro. Okay, guys. 3, 2, 1. Bam. The late adopter. I hope that make your monkey go crazy. KSM going up. KSM has been going up for an entire day, guys. KSM is up like 19% right now. Can you do sushi? The annoying thing is when these dips are alts will dip with it. Yeah, I'm afraid, guys. He said it very well. He said very well. The Swifty Gaming 5 said the annoying thing is when hey, Swifty Gaming, didn't you say something? Sorry, man, my memory is very bad, but I do remember you. The annoying thing is when the alts dip, you know, when Bitcoin dip, alts will dip as well. So Bitcoin, if Bitcoin goes down 10% right now, then alts that have not gone 10% up will still go 10% down and go down in minus. Was doing good in May. Thoughts on ETH? I'm hoping that ETH is just a little bit laggy right now, you know, because everybody's FOMO into Bitcoin. But as soon as people stopped doing Bitcoin, I think they might actually pump ETH. So that's my hope. I'm always here, mate. I've been seeing you around, man. Appreciate it. I appreciate the standard people that are coming in the chat. Yeah, the Tether to BTC is annoying. Second XRP sent joint letter to the judge. Not sure what that's gonna do. The volume is drying up more than a dry chip. You think? Let's see the volume. This is on Binance volume. Yeah, but this is the weekly volume. Let's see daily. Daily is actually picking up. I don't know what you're talking about. Look at it. The daily is picking up. This is organic growth, guys. This is organic growth. The volume is picking up. We are going to the moon. William Ratcliffe, it's here, 100k per BTC, of course. You damn right. But don't tell, don't say that to CoinSkid, man. He, you know, he will say that you are bearish with 100k. We are going to 200k. Great volume, yeah. It's okay, you know. It's 3 candles in a row that volume is going up, so that's good. Ada is gonna pile drive Ethereum. It's gonna be nasty. Well, you know. Cardano seems to me like some kind of, you know, some kind of, you know, some kind of university project that's just never gonna be finished. Yes, 200k. I'm all investors, no Bitcoin. Ouch. I went to watch CoinSkid. I like his analysis. Yeah, he gives good hopium. He knows his stuff. He's nice. I like listening to his voice, man. Very soothing voice. When are you buying? Still waiting for confirmation, but it came above 50k. Nah. No, I don't think I'm gonna wait. Like, if this starts breaking some kind of levels up here, I might get in because you know, the best thing would have been actually buying down here, but I was hoping for 29k. That never came, of course, like everybody else. Now I have to FOMO in, you know, but I cannot FOMO in, you know. I have to wait, you know, some kind of breakout, you know, over here. You know, that would be nice. Nice, this one over here, something like this. So, you know, we're gonna wait after the daily candle and see what I'm gonna do then. You listen to Coin Kids when you have lost all your money, then you go to the beach. If you guys are not doing leverage trade or margin trade, like, you can just buy and go away for the 4 years and come back, and then, you know, you'll be in profit. The problem is people cannot hold for 4 years, you know. Most people cannot hold for 4 years. My bro says I'm going past the moon, detour by Mars, and quick stop off to planet Pluto that ever monetized is irrelevant. Excuse my spelling. I love you all, guys. Excellent. I always comment first. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. So you think it will go down to 28k? No, I don't. I was hoping it actually would, because I explained this earlier. I had 2 targets for me, right? The 32k and the 50 moving average, right? So those 2 targets were actually. So I was actually hoping I'm gonna hit the 29k, give or take. Never got hit though. Never got hit. Just turned around on 32k and went straight up. What you gonna do? What you gonna do, huh? And I'm not the guy trader that's sitting at his desk like, you know, 10 hours a day watching the price and getting in that exact dollar, you know, and seeing the, you know, I just come back and check the charts. It's good, it's not. Okay, I'm gonna wait. I appreciate your daily stream. So informative. Thanks, man. Thanks, Layer Zero. Thanks, Layer Zero. I appreciate the money. Yeah, guys, every day at 9:30 Central European time, we do daily Bitcoin update. So, you know, we're gonna do daily Bitcoin update for this as well. No reason to leave $100 in something for multiple years. 10k is still a lot of money to most. Yeah. You know, if you are Michael Saylor or Elon Musk, or you know, some rich guy that don't need money right now, you know, you can just invest and live there 4 years, and you still got money to buy the Porsche and pay the rent and buy the food and go to vacations. You know, why not? You know, that's investment. That, you know, but most people are putting in money that they don't have actually. They need tomorrow. You know. Even my money, it's not like, you know, the bigger chunk of money, it's not like play money. It's, you know, I need to be, you know, serious about that. And I also have play money, but, you know. Trustful care service. Thanks, man, for the... There you go, guys. That's the scammer that's posting in, you know, every single video. And, you know... These kind of things happen. Later, what will it do? What will do if you get confirmation? Can a BTC and it will dump to 24? Well, if Bitcoin starts going up, I'm assuming that Ethereum is also going to get up. So I actually want to get Ethereum, not Bitcoin, because I'm thinking like Bitcoin can do something like, right now it can do something like, maybe, you know, if it hits my target, something like 25%. So I'm actually hoping that Ethereum might actually do a little bit more than 25%, you know, something like this over here, like 40%, something like that. Maybe. There is always hope, like, yeah, right. There is always hope. Maybe it can do a little bit better. But right now it just doesn't look like it. It looks like Bitcoin is gonna go all the way up to like something like 47,000, and Ethereum is just gonna stand there. You know. So, you know, my plans are a little bit out of whack right now. I want to crank a little leverage. Yeah, you do that and you're gonna get wrecked. Scared because I'm worried about the supposed bull trap. Yeah. The problem is when buying support, you don't actually know which support you're supposed to buy. And then when the price goes up, you want to get in, but you're always afraid that you are gonna get in too late. And then you get in and it is too late, you buy in the resistance. So it starts going down, but you know, it's just a retracement, but you don't know that, and then you sell. And then of course it's a small retracement, then it continues going up and then you FOMO back in. So you need to know technical analysis. If you don't know technical analysis, check out patreon.com at the late adopter and learn technical analysis today. I have 50,000 in ERA and 20k in ETH. Will hodl for 4 years. I hope the rewards are satisfying. I hope the rewards are satisfying in 4 years, man. You know, Bitcoin runs on the 4 hourly cycles, so it's pretty much set in stone what's gonna happen if something big doesn't happen, right? But it's pretty much set in stone. Laughing my ass off at all the people waiting for BTC to dump to 20k. Yeah, I mean, it might dump to 20k, but it won't be. I don't think it's gonna be during this dump over here. I don't think it's gonna be during this dump over here. I think we have to have some kind of pullback first if we're gonna dump, and then later, you know, big move to the downside. If that's gonna happen, Thanks for the bucks, man. I appreciate it. Yes, the funder is it is. Are they gonna be worth easily 1k coin in 5 years? I think. You think 1k per coin? I hope so. I hope so for your sake. I don't know. I haven't checked the market cap, how much that's gonna be. Nice portfolio. Best wishes. Immortal is a nice guy, guys. Immortal is a nice guy. You're planning that it will go down, right? You're planning it will go down. Now you're sitting on your cash like me. Yeah, I'm playing. I technically didn't know. I was hoping it will go up. You know, we were in the triangle. I was hoping it will go up over here. You know, until we break it, you know, you never know what's gonna happen. I was hoping that even the stream that we had, like almost emergency stream. I don't know if you were here. We were streaming. Live streaming just before we started the dump. We were streaming actually on this candle over here. This is a 4 hourly candle, right? And we were streaming that, but we didn't break some important level down here, right? And after the stream I was like, nah, I'm still bullish, like it's not breaking it. And the next candle, like it like 1 hour after I stopped the stream, it went down. But it was looking like it's gonna go down, and I always thought it might actually break the upside as well, but it went kind of down and then it continued falling down. So did not catch that, but I was technically bullish at this point over here, because I thought like we are doing entire Sunday here down here at the support and not breaking it. So I thought maybe now that's Monday we're gonna go up. Unfortunately that wasn't the case, then we went down, but we are right now back up again. So you know, you take what you get, you take what. Do any of you guys like Harmony 1? 4 Hour Immortal. I don't know any currency, but did on the last big run. Good night all. Gonna go to the sleep now. I hope everyone will be green in the morning. Good night, mate. Hope you sleep well. And with that, we are finishing the stream. 1 hour 44 minutes. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm super bullish. I don't know about you guys. I'm super bullish. You know, we got the Divergence, we got morning star doji, we got falling wedge, we got you know, Bitcoin breaking some 20 moving average on the 4 hourly, we got Bitcoin breaking 20 and 10 moving average on the daily. Bitcoin maybe breaking this you know, getting out of this falling wedge maybe. So you know, there is also all kinds of bullish signals, but keep in mind that there is also some kind of bear signals, and you know, that can always pull you down. Now on the way out from this stream, hit the like button and check out the patreon.com, the late adopter, if you want to learn tech analysis, or you just want some kind of extra content. But you got something called exclusive TLI content. You know, I post interesting bits and pieces of stuff there, so you know, if that's your thing, you might want to check that out. Anyways, guys, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for being on the stream. I enjoyed this. I enjoyed this very much. Now I'm gonna go to sleep. Well, I'm not sure if I'm gonna sleep. Maybe I'm just gonna buy something. I'm gonna buy something now. If I'm gonna buy something, I'm gonna wait 1 hour. If you're gonna buy something, at least wait for the daily close and then figure out what you're gonna do. Like, daily close is important, guys. Daily close is important. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. See you around. Bye bye. And stop button there.